Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Art and Crafts. This is a test piece that what's going on there? This is a test piece that I'm looking to do in relation to putting down some colours. And all I'm using on this is a mica. I'm not using anything else to colour these resins. And I've put a black down using black mica, and this is the base here, and then I'm going to use a pipette with a fiery red, a buttercup and a blue in the into this resin, because I want to test to see how it does. But there does seem to be something that's reacting on this board that I'm not very happy about. I don't know what that is. Well, there's nothing in the air, and there's no alcohol or anything, and I've cleaned this off, so I don't know what's causing that. Actually, that may have an adverse effect on how this is going to work. And it's just, I'm just using a canvas board for this. I do love how that black mica reflects light. Oh well, let's have a go. So what I've done is I've put the colours that I want into a pipette. It's quite easy to do. And now how I'm going to do it is just, so drop one like that, one there. I'm just hoping it's going to push this black out of the way, but still maintain its droplets, if that makes sense. I'm going to try and be as neat as I can. I'm not the neatest of people. And I'm going to speed this up because I'm sure that you don't want to just sit here watching this. So please enjoy this music while I speed it up. So this is cured now. I'm really pleased with how this has come out. I think it looks absolutely lovely. I love the way the colours are reacting and pushing against each other with the black background as well. If I zoom in a little bit into places, you really can see that mica. So this has been a great experiment or test piece for me to be able to do a larger piece. I think what I'll do when I do a larger piece as well is that I will probably do bigger dots and maybe put them a little bit closer to each other to allow them to merge and push each other out of the way. But I really love this. Let me know in the comments what you think. It was really easy to do. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video as much as you can to help my channel grow. Bye.